Well, hey guys, welcome back to Apocalypse Off-Road. As you can see here, I'm back here walking on the Hillman Minx. If you haven't seen the video where I fired this girl up and ran her off the bottle for a few seconds, you might want to go check that one out first. But the goal today here is to see if we can make this thing actually drive. And you run for more than a few seconds, because that will change on the oil and do a few donuts, load her on the trailer and take her home, and then maybe we'll worry about brakes and stuff. And I think we might just run the Gambler 500 in it if we can get her roadworthy. I still got to get paperwork for it. That's another big problem. But if I get as lucky as I did with that Ford Galaxy, we're golden. So stick around, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I don't know how many thousands of views I keep getting and very few subscribers, so please help a guy out. So it's right where we left off here last time. I'm thinking we're gonna pull that off. I'll probably undo this here fuel line and just go ahead and gamble and dump some fuel into the tank and crank this thing over and see if anything comes out and see what color of varnish it is. But maybe we'll get lucky like everything else we've done on this car so far. Let's see. Yeah, I'm sure there's no water in there at all. I mean, it doesn't smell like fuel at all, so it's probably just bone dry. Yeah, the tank is under here, and oh, that's not good. Oh, she's rusted right through. Yeah, we're not using this tank. Wow, good thing I didn't dump anything in there. Getting tumbleweeds out. Rear diff's still leaking. That means it's got fluid in it. Oh gosh, look at that subframe over there. That is bad. Oh, this car is worse than I expected. It looked so good from the outside. Oh, a little crusty here too. Oh dear. Oh, both sides. Yep, she's about good for the Gambler. That's probably it. Fuel line here undone on the rotten gas tank, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow some air in from the front, and you guys tell me how much crud comes out of there. Not sure anything came out, but I'll hook some fuel up and see what happens, I guess. So we're trying to suck some fuel out of here, prime these fuel lines, see if we get anything to come out up here. So far, nothing. Suppose I could try undoing this. Of course, these old Zuzu Hillmans are all Whitworth bolts.
Them Whitworth bolts is a pain, tell you what.
Hey guys. Couldn't get any fuel to flow through that line to the back, so we got her rigged up front here, and she just fired right off. Okay. So to me, that's running well enough to try and put this thing in gear. Well, before I actually attempt to drive this thing around the yard, we might as well put some brake fluid in here. Oh, ugh. She's crusty, but why not?
You got it?
Nope. So where's first? Up there.
Okay.
Yeehaw! Well, a couple of you guys were griping at me to change the oil on this thing, so here we go. Let's see how nasty it really is. Oh baby, not bad. I don't see any sparklies in it. This thing sounds pretty dang good, so probably could have just run this stuff, but this car sat here for 30 years and fired right back up, so I figured she deserved this. These brake hoses, they're fine. Not that they work anyways. Look at these cute little coil springs in here though. Tiny little baby exhaust. Weird that the frame is so rotten on this car back there. I suppose since the rest of it's so good, a guy could probably fix that stuff up, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Restore it? Gambler 500 it? Flog it? Who knows? Alright, that's good enough. Yo, I got that.
No, I mean, gas.
Fuel. Going for a ride on the Hillman. Where was first? Up there? Yeah.
Back tire's going flat.
Okay, so now I gotta get more slack in this wire. And I need more slack in this. There we go. Okay. I wouldn't turn with that to the outside. I think you're going to end up with. You're good. It's a wee bit that way, but you're good.
Try and do a burnout if I hit that block.
You're there.
On the block?
Yeah. Just moving the block.